Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 16 is two angles measuring 90 degrees. It says the measures of two angles are given in the diagram of a right angle. What is the measure of each of the angles? So I have my right angle, which measures 90 degrees total, and it's made up of one angle of 4x minus 6 and the other angle of 2x. So if I add those two angles together, 4x minus 6 plus 2x, that has to equal 90 degrees. Now I'm going to combine like terms. 4x plus 2x is 6x minus 6 equals 90. And now I just have a two-step. Add 6 to both sides. Negative 6 plus 6 is 0. 0 plus 6x is 6x, and 90 plus 6 is 96. I'll divide both sides by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1x, and 96 divided by 6 is 16. To find the measures of my two angles, I'm going to substitute 16 for x. So 4 times 16 minus 6, if I punch that into a calculator, I get 58. And so I know one of these angles is 58 degrees. Then I'm going to find 2 times 16, which would be 32. So the other angle would be 32 degrees. So my first angle is 58 degrees, and my second angle is 32 degrees.